Today I'll be cooking dumpling and basically boiled food and saltfish, but no one no dumpling, so I'm gonna cook some vegetable rice myself. Well, as you know, see me use one spoon to get the flour together, because when I really like use my hand because it's too messy. So I am Tina Thompson. Well, you can see that my name is Tanika on my channel. That's my middle name. I live with my parents. I live in Manchester. I live with my parents and my little brother. Yes, I'm 19 years old. I'll be 20 in April. Yeah. I like dumplings, so I'm gonna look for little vegetable rice myself. Maybe if I'm in the mood. But I don't really feel for no dumpling today. So the dumpling is needed, as you can see. Now I'll be peeling the yam. The pot is on the fire. Yes. So I'm going to peel the yam and get back to you. So I'm back after about 5 minutes because my mother and my auntie did not call me. Well, me tell you say me only live with my mother and my father and my little brother. But my auntie there because Friday did my pot soon done boil up. To me, when my patango gone, so you have 2 hole in there. So I have to go caulk up with little of the flour. So you know, the water and run out on the stove. So I'm going to get some seasoning and cut it up until my brother come back, because I don't know him do something. So we don't have access to running water where I live, so that's why you see me get water out of one bucket. So the only way we can get running water if we set it up a freeway house. We have running water in the kitchen, but I know we use rainwater and cook, but I know rainwater in there now. A water from one tank. The water clean, but I don't really trust if we consume, even though it go boil. So I peel off my garlic. Now I have an onion, stripping it if that's what you call it. And yes, I go to culinary school. I go to Western Hospitality Institute. But you know, sometimes you don't know the correct terms, and sometimes I can bother to use the correct terms. So like the pot boil, scallion. Oh, and this is the white scallion, the less expensive one. And also you have to shop on a budget. And yes guys, I do all the market shopping. I have a big sister and a big brother, but they don't live with us right now. Now I boil out of that salmon, you know. About 5 minutes now, my brother gonna shop and when he can come back. I don't own a cutting board at the moment. I cook almost every day because my mother sick, my father work, my little brother not have no use. He's 13 years old. I never taste him cooking it. So I'm going to wash the yam and put it in the pot now. I like to wash as I go along, so I'm going to wash out the dish pan now. Did I make it saltfish?
No.
No, sir. Oh, bruh. So this is my little brother. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So the shop that we sent him to, they don't have any saltfish, right? So you have to go down the road. You get the black pepper?
Yeah.
We change it.
We change it, but I have to go put back. I have to go fed much change the road.
Why?
Because we ain't never had no change.
Oh. Go on and mommy the rest of the change. Where you buy up it?
Let's see black pepper.
Oh shucks, me not put any dump in it. Rinse off me and I'm put any dumpling them. A long time. I don't cook such a little bit of food, you know. A long time. Mommy sick, she know what it me. They say me make dumpling big and thick, so I try my best to make it little. Stop walk up and down in the house with the dirty slippers.
Yes, ma'am.
Tired of my food and all. Right, my mother eat little spaghetti and meatball or something. This knife is very sharp. It's my favorite knife. Cutting up some scallion. What time? I'm not even know what time. So I'm gonna make that go rest on the stove until the saltfish boil. I'm gonna boil the saltfish 2 times. And then I'll get back to you guys. There's something I can't turn on.
Okay.
Take them up now. I was going to do this for myself, but I don't have nothing to eat it with, so I'm not bother do it. So you can follow me on Instagram at empresstina176. I'll link it down below. Yeah. I would greatly appreciate it if you share suggestions for what you would like to see me do on my channel in the comment, and I'll deliver the content. as long as I can. I don't really have any hobbies at the moment, and I don't really have any friends. Them that I use. Oh. My life boring. I need to go out and socialize. Like, I need to go to the beach. My auntie was using my phone, so I'll put the seasoning to cook. I'm using front camera on my phone. I pick up the saltfish already and I have my mixed vegetable.
Let's go then.
So now I'm going to...
Come on, son. Come on, don't be scared.
I'm going to add this look dark. That's better. I'm going to add the mixed vegetable to the pot. I'm going to make some green first before I cook. Sugar.
What? With Karsten. How'd you get so strong? I'm not. It was for show. What about the school door? Where'd you get your power? Are you some kind of
Ketchup.
government experiment? What, me? Yes, of course you. No. Are you a mutant? No. Come on, no? Are you sure you were bitten by a radioactive super spider? Promise, I won't tell anyone. What? That you're a superhero. Please, read this. Take it, come on. Fine. Happy
Black
now.
pepper.
That could be your story. You have all the same cool powers. For all we know, you can fly or maybe climb walls. Look at what you did.
You know how much you got? Number 3 o'clock.
After 5 more.
After 5? Oh.
I'm not sure about the time. I'm not sure. So I'm going to add everything and let it cook down. What you want?
Yeah.
Hey, do you realize how lucky you are? Get off my back.
Saltfish. Adding a little more black pepper. Stirring it and I like to taste the black pepper when I'm eating saltfish.
I'm sending you away with a flea in your ear. We'll see.
So I'm going to leave it and let it cook down.
What's that doing now? Sorry.
The place gets dark.
Really shady. You said that. I did. I'm a real superhero.
I'm watching Ant-Man and Mommy Phone. So yes, I watch you as well cooking.
Welcome, Amanda. Time for you to die.
You clean your shoes yet? I'll show you guys the finished result when I'm finished and the shield. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the finished product now. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram. Thank you. Bye.